Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Hope all your tests got over, isn't it? Yes. Now, today we'll start with a new chapter. Yes. We had learnt about knowing our numbers and playing our numbers. Now we'll go on to the next chapter, that is in geometry, which is basic geometrical ideas. Yes. What do you mean by geometry? Geometry is a branch of mathematics. It is nothing but a branch of mathematics. Yes. As you have in science, physics, chemistry, biology, as well in social you have history, civics, geography. In the same way, even in mathematics we have many branches. In that, one of the branches geometry. Yes, this is a branch of mathematics which deals with shapes and figures. Okay. Now let us see, what do you mean by geometry? Geometry. We'll split the word geo. Geo means earth. Yes. Metron. Metron means measurement. Yes, measurement. So, geometry means measurement of earth. Yes. Now, let us learn some basic geometrical ideas. Okay. To start with, can you tell what does this mean? Yes. This is a point. It is a point. See here, this point we can name it as L. This we can name it as M. This we can name it as N. So, these are all called points. Point determines a location. They are indicated using the capital letters. Okay. The next topic is, when we join, what are these called? Points, isn't it? When we join any two points, what do we get? We get a line. Yes, when we join any two points, we get a line which has a starting point and an ending point. Such line is called a line segment. What it is called? It's called a line segment. Line segment is nothing but a line which contains a starting point and an ending point. And we can represent it as AB, suppose. So, AB is a line segment. Yes. Let us see now the next one. Suppose, look here, a point is extended to one side. When I put an arrow mark, it indicates that this line is extended to one side. This is the starting point. We can indicate it by X, suppose, and it moves on. We can just name it as Y. This XY, which is extended to only one side, it is called a ray. What is it called? It's called a ray because it is extended to one side. You have seen the sun's rays, is it or not? It is in the same way. Now, if I draw a line like this and if I place arrow marks on both the sides, it indicates that the line can be extended to both the sides. Such lines are called line. Yes? Such lines are called lines. Okay. So, we have learnt about line. What is this called? It's called line segment. and this is called a ray, isn't it? So this is a line segment, and this is a ray. Okay, line can be extended to both the sides. It has no starting point nor ending point. Line segment has a starting point and an ending point, whereas the ray contains only the starting point, not the ending point. It can be extended to one side. Yes? Hope you understood. Now look here. When any two lines, look here, any two lines, they have passed through each other. Where did they meet? They meet at only this point. Let us name it as O. Okay. Now look here. One line is, this is one line, and one more line I am going to draw like this. Where is it meeting? It is meeting only here. Let us name it as A. If two lines have only one common point, they are called intersecting lines. What they are called? They are called intersecting lines. They are called intersecting lines. What do you mean by intersecting lines? If two lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. Hope it's clear, children. Now, the same way, look here, I've got a line here, another line here. Look here, I've got a line here, another line here. Let me name this A, B. Here let us take it as C, D. Here K, L, M, N. Now can you tell whether A, B and C, D are intersecting lines? No, because they don't meet each other at any place. Here K, L and M, N, even they are not intersecting lines. Then what are they called? They are called parallel lines. What they are called? They are called parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel lines? Parallel lines are the lines which do not meet at any point, and they have equal distance between them. See, if you extend, it doesn't meet anywhere. If you extend this, even this doesn't meet anywhere, but the distance between them remains the same. So, such lines are called parallel lines. How do we indicate this? Here we can write AB. See, to represent it, we draw a line upon that and draw two arrow marks there. This is the symbol for parallel. AB is parallel to CD. Okay? So this is the symbol for parallel. Here KL is parallel to MN. Okay, children? So we have learnt about parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines which do not meet and have equal distance between them. Yes, they are called parallel lines. So, we have learnt about, what are the things we have learnt today? We have learnt about point, line segment, ray. Then we learnt about intersecting lines. Then parallel lines. Is it or not? So we learnt about point. Yes, a point which determines a location. Yes, it is indicated like this. Yes, A is a point, B is a point. Now line, it has both the sides arrow mark. So we can write it as KL. If suppose it is KL, KL is a line. By looking into the symbol, we should be able to find out what does that mean. Here, line segment. Suppose this is a line segment CD. Suppose you think, we write it as CD with a line on top. Yes. Now a ray. Ray contains a starting point but no ending point. We can represent it like this. XY is a ray. Okay. Now intersecting lines, which when any two lines meet at only one point, such lines are called intersecting lines. Yes. Now here these two lines are intersecting lines. Here parallel lines. Parallel lines, the lines which do not meet each other are called parallel lines. Yes children? Hope the concepts are clear. Okay. Now let us see an example. Let us see an example. Okay. Now see this line. Now look here. In this figure, if you see, can you name the points here? Which are the points here? Can you tell? L is a point, A is a point, X is a point, M is a point, Y is a point. Yes? So we can tell A, X, L, Y, M. All these are points. Now, can you name a line? Which is the line here? Can you tell? This line you can take. This is LK is a line. Is it or not? Can you tell a line segment here? Line segment. Which is the line segment here? You can take LX is a line segment, XM is a line segment, XY is a line segment, AX is also a line segment. So can we write AX is a line segment, XM is a line segment, then XY is also a line segment, LX is also a line segment. Can you tell another one? LM is also a line segment. Is it or not, children? Can you tell few rays here? Yes? Few rays. Let me show you. Rays. Can you name few of the rays? XL is a ray. Is it or not? X is the starting point. L towards this side it is. XL is a ray. XM is also a ray. XK is also a ray. Then XY is also a ray. XA is also a ray. Yes? Hope it's clear. Now did you understand, children? This is the topic. Let us see the next topic, that is curve. What do you mean by curve? Curve is a line which is not straight. Is it or not? Now, this is a curve. Yes, this is a curve. But in mathematics, in geometry, we call even this as a curve. Okay? Now, here also is a curve. This is also a curve. Is it or not? Yes? All these are called curves. And they are called simple curves. The curves, these are all called curves. Now, if you see this, you can make out that this one and this one is a closed curve. All these are open curve. So, this is a open curve. This is a closed curve. Yes? These are open curves and these two are closed curves. Yes? The curves which is made up of line segments, only line segments, and if it is a closed one, such ones are called as polygons. They are called polygons. That is a curve which is made up of line segments, and if it is closed, such curves are called as polygons. Yes? Can you see? These are all called polygons. Is this a polygon? No, it is not a polygon. It is a closed curve. Yes? Now look here. Is this a polygon? No, it is not a polygon because it is not closed. Now, is this a polygon? Yes, it is also not a polygon. Even though it is closed, it is not made up of line segments. Okay? So we learnt about curves, open curve and closed curve. And also we learnt about polygons. Hope it is clear, children. We learnt about open curves and closed curves. Yes, also we learnt about polygons. Polygons are the closed curves which are made up of only line segments. Yes, that's it for today, children. Thank you.